I'm here at the historic St. Paul's Bell Tower in the heart of Maryborough with Tower Captain Ruth Andersen. Now Ruth, you've been Tower Captain for a number of years now, haven't you?
Yes, since 2010.
Yeah, and you enjoy it?
I love it.
Yeah, it's
yes.
a great community service being able to hear it all over the city.
It's lovely, yes.
And it's been around for a long time, hasn't it?
Yes, it's been here since 1888, was when the tower was opened.
Yeah.
Okay. And I think we should go and have a look at it.
Yeah, that'll be lovely.
All right, come on then. In the bottom here is the basement, of course, and this is our small museum that we have. We've got lots of photos and other memorabilia stuff, everything. This here is a photo of Edgar Aldrich.
Yes, he built it for Maria.
Okay, George, now we've seen a little bit of down here, so let's go upstairs and have a look at the bells.
Yes.
All right, off you go.
It's steep.
It is, it's very steep. Now George, this room is what we call the ringing chamber. This is where all the ropes come through here. This little short one is a chiming rope that we can use with all the others to play songs on. You've had a go at doing that. The other ropes, these long ropes, they're what we call our peeling ropes, and they're quite different to those little short ones there.
It's a different technique.
Doing peeling, you need to have lessons and learn. It's a one-on-one learning experience and it takes a little while to learn to do that. Would you like to go up and see these bells? All right, well come on then. You go first. Now George, this room is empty. It's our sound chamber. But we also have a simulator put in here which we teach learners on to start to learn to peel with that one there.
So we're basically in the middle of the structure now. The people are below us pulling on cords.
Yes.
The cords coming through here, and obviously there's some very heavy bells just above our heads.
Just up above our heads they are, yes. So we go up and see them. All right.
So how many bells are here?
We have 9 bells here.
Yeah. All original? From the
all original. And if all the bells were ringing and you were leaning against the wall, you would feel the tower move slightly. And to think that we initially were the only set of pealing bells in Queensland when the bells were put in. But chiming is very easy, so general public can come and learn to chime. And but peeling is something you need to learn, and it's a slow process of learning, but it's wonderful when you can peel. So maybe we should go down and play a song on these bells.
Yeah, what kind of song can we play?
Oh, we'll go through the book and have a look and see what there is, eh? Now, George, we are going to ring a tune called The Bells of St. Mary's. You're going to help us ring it through. We'll have 2 of our newest members here, and they are going to ring with us as well.
Very good.
All right, so we'll see how we go with this nice song.
Very good.